Woke up this morning to a winter attack. 2 feet of snow sitting on the doormat. Grabbed my shovel, said a prayer and a cuss. My driveway is longer when it's covered in this stuff. Back's already hurting, coffee's gone cold. Neighbors watching me like it's pay-per-view gold. I'm halfway done when it starts coming down, like the sky just laughed, dumped another round. Make up your mind, Mother Nature, please. Yesterday I was mowing my grass in a t-shirt and jeans. Today I'm buried in frostbite drains. Sweating and freezing at the same damn time. You're crazy, had a season it looked like mine. Make up your mind, Mother Nature, please. Forecast said sunshine 72, so I put the shovel back, thought I was through. Now it's 10 below and my truck won't start. Even the dog looked at me like, man, this is hard. The snowblower's coughing like it's got the flu. Started once, then said, buddy, not today, you're on your own. I trade this snow for it, muddy mess. At least I can walk without breaking my neck. Make up your mind, Mother Nature, please. One day it's flip-flops, next day it's frozen keys. My weather app lies worse than a politician on TV. Icicles hanging off my dreams and sunburn on my nose. Somehow still make up your mind, Mother Nature, please. I've worn boots, shorts, a coat and a hat, all in the same dang day. Explain that heat's on high, then the AC too. I don't know what season I'm living through. By the time I'm done, my driveway's clean. 10 minutes later, looks the same damn scene. Shovel leaned over like it's giving up hope. So am I standing here slipping on hope and soap? If heaven's real, I know one thing's true: there ain't no snow when nobody shovels too. Make up your mind, Mother Nature, please. Pick a lane, stick with it, give a redneck some peace. Cold beer's freezing and the grill won't light. I don't know if it's summer or winter fight. Make up your mind, Mother Nature, now. Yeah, make up your mind, Mother Nature, now. 'Cause my back can't take another surprise.